Enjoy a generous serving of spaghetti with meat sauce when low-calorie, low-carb, gluten-free shirataki noodles replace traditional wheat pasta. One serving is only 247 calories. Cut open 2 packages of shirataki spaghetti noodles. Pour your noodles into a strainer or colander to drain off the liquid. Separate and lift your noodles to release excess liquid. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat, brown your ground beef, add your onion, and sauté for a minute or 2. Stir in your garlic and continue over low heat to release the garlic flavor. Stir in your cremini mushrooms. Add your green pepper. Pour in your jar of classico. Stir and cover with a lid, simmering over low heat for about 10 minutes. Add your shirataki noodles and fold the sauce over your noodles to mix well. And now you're ready to serve. And here is your serving of under 300 calories spaghetti with meat sauce. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.